My name is Incredigirl. I have been sent here to help end the trend. I have brought my special powder to fight the killer among us. Chocolate is the warrior I brought to help. My chocolate Shakeology is lowering blood sugar, increasing weight loss, and helping increase immune systems all over the country. I am able to wear the smoking hot outfit because I train with P90X and TurboFire daily. I mean, look at this body. You can be fit and healthy with my help. My Shakeology is only available from my mortal friend Coach Stalder. You can order from her at www.fitandflashy.com. Chat with her on Facebook under the name Beachbody Coach Stalder. Join my team and be a superhero in your community. We can both have hot outfits and look amazing. Plenty of room for all of you, so sign up with Coach Stalder and make it happen.